So today we're unboxing this hair peptide growth serum. I'm just going to use a knife to cut open that plastic, tear it back, get that open, and we got the box right here. It's a nice shiny sturdy box. It looks like it's going to open up kind of like sliding out here. Let's see if we can get the back out. There we go. And popping it off. There we go. We got a little warranty card. We're not going to worry about that right now. And here we go. We got 3 bottles of the stuff. It comes packed into this little soft foam right here. So this is going to be a nice carrying case if you want to keep it in there. But here's the actual bottle itself. Looks like it's got a dropper on top. It's got this nice gold top right here, stylish black body to it. Let's get it open and just kind of see what it looks like here. Definitely not trying to spill any of it. Okay, so it's pretty full. There's a little bit already in the dropper. Give it a squeeze. You can see that working really well. If I squeeze it and drop it in, it fills up about, looks like, half the dropper or so right there. And squeeze it back out. It's got this kind of like soft, milky substance to it, I would say. It's not as loose as water. You can see it's a little bit viscous there. And looks like it's going to be easy to smush around and rub into your hair. So there you go. That's what it looks like when it's unboxed.